Okay, so today we are going to review this multifunction kids camera. It's dinosaur design. This is how it comes in. Has a little thing to put around your neck. The actual camera, which comes in a protective design. It comes off for charging. It brings the charger, a 2.0 USB, and a 64 gigabytes memory card. So this camera, as I said, you can take this off. It has a front and rear camera function, so you can take pictures in the front and you can take selfies. It has 48 million pixels. It has 28 built-in photo frames and various special effects. It has 5 games. It does video recording. It zooms in 8 times. And it also has time shooting. So the kids can take videos with timed selfies and stuff like that. So you just put this over, hang it, and the kids just play with it.